How are you, Junior 6? Let's start our session. Today we have a very interesting lesson. It's about math. Let's start. We are going to start with a question. Which girl is carrying heavier? I think it's clear for you. Which one? Is it number 1 or 2?
Two.
Yes, it's so clear. It's number 2. But the question here is why?
Because the weight is heavier.
Yes, because she carry more books, right?
Yes,
and
teacher.
more papers and more books. So that's why they are heavier. Is it right, Junior 6? Sorry. So we said that the girl number 2 carries the heavier things because there is more papers and more books, right? Now we have
Right.
another question. So think with me. Now we have some apples. Which one has the biggest amount of matter?
The third one.
Number
Is it
3.
number 1 or 2 or 3?
The third
Three.
one, number 3.
Yes, excellent. It's the third one. It's so clear, but why? Because it has
Has more apples.
what? Yes, more apples.
More things.
More apples, more matter. Can you remember what is the meaning of matter? You
Yes.
have learned this
The weight?
word from grade 4.
Teacher, can I say?
Yes, you can.
It's anything that has that takes a place and it has a volume.
Yes,
And
anything
it has
that has mass and volume, it's a matter. Like what? Can you give me examples?
like an apple
Yes,
or
what
an
else?
orange.
Yes. Anyone
Or a
else? Anyone else give me examples of matters?
Omar. Acceptable.
Toa? Give me examples of matters.
Matter. Iron, metal.
Wait, Muhammad. I said toka. Toka.
Oh, sorry.
We said matters like anything, toka. Like apples, oranges, chair, a bottle of water. What else? Give me another example. It's so easy.
Banana, metal.
Teacher, can I give an example?
Wait for your turn. So I'm going to give you some time to think. Then I'm going to ask you again, okay?
Okay.
Muhammad, can you give me another example of matters?
Iron,
Yes.
metal. Okay.
Metals like iron and other metals. Yes. What else?
Books.
Yes. Thank you.
Fruits.
Another one. I need another one.
Vegetables.
Who want to answer again?
Any solid item, I think. Most solid items.
What else? What else? What about milk?
What else?
What about milk? Is it a matter?
What?
Yes. The milk? Yes. What about oil?
Everything around us is a matter.
What about air? Our air?
Yes. Everything around us is matter.
It's a matter, yes. Okay. Now we have another picture. Which one has the biggest amount of matter? Is it number
The
one
first
or two
one,
or
teacher.
three? One or two?
Number one.
Yes, it's so clear. So here we have bigger amount. We have here bigger amount of water in picture number one. Excellent. Look here and think with me. We have here two scales. The first one here has 2 apples and the second one has 3 apples. Right? Can you see them?
Yes.
The question here is what? Is the mass of 2 apples are equal to the mass of 3 apples?
No, teacher.
The answer is no. Excellent. But the most important question is why?
Because the density is not equal, because the difference of the density.
Because they have what? We are talking today about matter. We
Because
are
they
talking
have
about the matter.
different amount of matter.
Yes, that's what I want you to say. Because they have different amounts of matter. Excellent, Junior 6. Okay, so the answer is it's not equal to each other because they have different amounts of matter. Okay, let's look at the next picture. Muhammad, can you read this question, please?
Is the mass of 2 apples equal to the mass of 3 searchlights?
Look here. Is the mass of the 2 apples equal to the searchlight?
The mass of 3 searchlights?
Yes. Is it equal or not?
No.
No. Look here. This is one piece of scale here and another one here. I think it's equal. Is it equal or not?
Equal.
It's the same size. Look. If you looked at the last picture, here, that was 1 here and 2 here, 1 big and 1 small, right?
Yes, you're right.
But at this one, at these pictures, they are equal or not?
They are equal.
Yes. So the question here is why? Why the searchlight is equal to the 2 apples?
Because you are I don't know what is this?
Remember, we are talking about the matter, the amount of matter.
They're equal.
Equal in what?
Equal in the mass.
Yes. So they have the same amount of matter, right?
Yes, right.
Okay. Judy and Nuran, I'm going to ask you at the next page, okay? The next questions are for you. So the answer here is yes, because both of them have 2 equal amounts of matter. Now we are going to have a very easy definition for mass. This definition is mass is the amount of matter in any object. So the amount of matter in your book, the amount of matter of your bottle of water, the amount of matter of anything that you have. Yes?
What is density?
That's not our lesson today, please. Okay?
Okay.
Look at these pictures. We have here 3 scales, right? What is the
Right.
mass of each object? Now it's turn for Nuran. Nuran. Where is Nuran? Judy.
Teacher.
Judy Hassan. Tell me about the first one. What is the mass of this sack of peas? Judy Hussein. Judy Hussein.
Yes, teacher.
What is the mass of this picture? What is the mass of this bag of peas? Judy. Yasmin.
1 kilogram.
Yes.
Teacher,
Excellent.
1 kilogram.
Okay, it's 1 kilogram. Excellent. Yasmin, could you tell me about picture number 2? This bag of rice. What?
Kilograms.
How many kilograms?
3.
Yes, it's 3 kilograms. Excellent. Who is going to tell me about the other one? Noor Muhammad.
Me?
Noor Muhammad.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me about the last picture here. What is the amount of matter here? What is the mass here? How many kilograms?
7 kilograms.
7 kilograms. Excellent. So we have here 3 different amounts of mass, right? But they are big. Now we have another pictures. Look here. Can Rudy,
Yes, teacher.
could you tell me please what is the mass of this picture? What is the mass of this toy?
Okay, the mass. 1 minute, teacher.
Take your time.
55 gram.
Excellent. It's 155 grams. Excellent. Who want to answer the next one?
Me.
Hamza.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me about
Yes,
this one. This sack of noodles.
Okay, teacher, it's 55 grams.
Excellent. It's 55.
Teacher, I am Asia. Can I answer?
Tell me about the last one, Asia.
The last one,
Yes.
it's 126.
Excellent. It's 126. You are so smart, grade primary 6. You are so smart. Excellent. Okay, but we found something here. We have different measuring units of mass, right? We have here gram and kilogram, right?
Right.
Yes, we have 2 different measuring units. We use gram for big or small things.
Small.
Mom.
Small things. It's so clear. And we use kilogram for
Big thing.
big things. Yes. Okay. We have 3 measuring units of mass. The first one is gram and kilogram. The last one is ton. Gram for small masses and kilogram for large masses. Ton is for very large masses. Look here, we have some jewelry. We use gram to measure the mass of jewelry, right?
Right.
Okay. What about fruits and vegetables? We need a bigger measuring unit, which is
Kilogram.
kilogram. Yes. What about this big truck? Look at this truck.
Ton.
Ton.
It's so huge and so heavy, right? So
Yeah, right.
we can't measure it with kilograms. It needs
Yeah.
another unit which is bigger, which is ton. Remember that 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams and 1 ton equals 1,000 kilograms. It's very important to know this when you solve some problems or questions, okay?
Okay.
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 Now let's talk about measuring tools of math. Measuring tools is things that we use to measure, like scales. Okay, do you know the scale? When you go
Yeah.
to the fruit seller or the grocer, anyone use this balance or the scale. We have different types of scales. We have balance scale, like this one. I think you know this, right?
Right.
Right.
Yes.
It's familiar to all of us. The next
Yes.
one is the sensitive two-armed scale, the sensitive. This scale, you can find it at the places where the jewelry is sold. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
And we have one arm scale, like one arm digital scale. This one is common in kitchens, like this one. And one arm scale with a pointer, like this one. We can find this
Yes.
in grocery.
Teacher,
Right?
one arm scale with a pointer. I found it in the meat shops.
Yes, excellent, yes.
Teacher, and one arm digital scale. It's in our home.
Yes, you can find it in your kitchen and in your home, right? Can you use balance scale, this one, at your home?
No.
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 It's in the
No.
fruit and vegetable shopping.
Shops, yes, excellent. And what about this sensitive
The
scale?
grocery.
No,
At the
it's in
jewelry shop.
The jewelry shop.
We will never use it at home, right?
Yes,
Right.
because we use it to
Buy and sell what?
gold and silver.
Yes, excellent. You are so smart, Junior 6. Okay, now it's time to have some questions. I think you are going to like these questions because you are excellent. Okay, let's start.
Okay. Okay.
If you want to answer with me, raise your hand. Okay.
Okay.
The first one is, what is the right measuring tool? Oh, sorry, what is the right measuring unit? Okay, sorry. We are here asking for units. We have here a bird and book and a man. Okay,
Yes.
what are we going to use for the bird? Who want to answer the first question?
Me.
Noor. Noor, then Asir. Noor, the first one, and Asir after her. Noor. The bird, what is the measuring unit? Is it kilogram or gram?
Gram.
Yes, it's a gram. Thank you. Asir, what about this book?
Yes, miss.
Hey, can I answer?
The book.
Teacher, can I answer it with them?
Asir,
Yeah.
we use kilogram or gram to measure the unit, the mass of book.
Kilogram.
Book like this one. Is it with kilograms?
No gram.
Huh?
Gram.
It's gram, yes. Excellent. What
Teacher, can I
about
answer?
the man who is asking
Kilogram.
Mazen? Mazen?
Kilogram.
Yes, it's kilogram. Excellent. Now we have another question here. We have some other pictures.
Miss, can I
Teacher, can I answer?
All of you are going to answer. Okay, Hamza.
Yes, teacher.
What about this teddy bear? We use gram or kilogram?
What, teacher?
This teddy bear, this toy.
Gram.
We use gram or kilogram? Excellent. It's gram.
Teacher,
Yes.
I'm
What
asking.
about this sheep? What about this sheep? Now Adam El Gindi.
Kilogram, miss.
Yes, excellent. It's by kilogram.
Teacher, can I say I am raising my hand?
Malak Ihab. What about this bike? Can we measure it with gram or kilogram?
Kilogram.
Excellent. What about Lujain?
Yes, teacher.
What about this spoon?
With gram.
With grams. Excellent. Okay, that was the easy question. Let's think about another question. The next question is a type of riddle. Look here. Who is going to answer?
Me, miss.
Omar?
Yes, teacher.
Me.
Tell me about the first one, Omar. This eyeglasses.
Miss, I want to answer.
Okay, Muhammad.
This
wait.
eyeglass is
me.
about 15
What
grams.
is the mass of this eyeglass?
15 grams.
13. 13 or 30?
No, maybe 30. 13,
30.
sorry.
30. 30.
Okay.
Okay.
Teacher, I'm asking. I want to answer.
Okay, wait. We have here Sahar. Sahar. Sahar.
Sure, can I say?
Wait. Who is talking?
I'm Rudy.
Wait, Rudy. Okay, Rudy, wait. We have here Sahar. She didn't answer any questions with us. Where is Sahar? Sahar? I think she can't hear us. Okay. Okay. Muhammad,
Yes,
tell me about this one.
it's 25 gram.
Yes, it's 25 grams. What about the last one, Rudy?
Teacher, I'm asking. I want to answer it.
Wait.
Okay, teacher.
15 gram.
Okay, it's 15 grams.
It's 15 grams. Okay. Let's look at the next. Sorry. Let's look at this question here. Look. Select the object that is equal to the mass of 2 cans of soda. Look at this can of soda. It's how many grams here?
That's easy.
50.
50. Which
That's
one?
easy.
Wait,
the banana.
has the same mass of 2 cans. Which one?
The donut.
The donut has the mass of 2 cans.
No,
The
I think
donut.
the banana.
The donut equals.
The banana.
Yes, excellent. It's the banana. So the banana is 100 grams and the soda and donut is 50 grams and strawberry is 75, right? Now we have the last, I think we have no time. Now this question is about these animals. What is the mass of each animal? What is the mass
Teacher,
of
I'm
each
Asia.
animal?
Can I answer number one?
Okay, Asia.
Number one, the cat is 2.
Okay, you are going to make a mathematical problem here. Look, we have here 2 and 5 equals 7, right?
Yes.
And we have here a cat and 3 kilograms. Look here, 3. So 7 minus 3 equals what, Asia?
Teacher, 7 minus 3, 4.
So this mass, the mass of this cat is
4.
4. Yes, excellent. Now it's turn for Omar. Tell me about
Yes.
this rat.
Okay.
What is the
It's
mass of this rat?
5 here. 1 kilogram.
Yes, excellent. It's 1 kilogram. What about this dog? Who want to answer? Hi, Sam. Wait. Hi, Sam. You didn't answer any question. Hi, Sam. Hi, Sam al-Barbari.
I don't understand.
Okay, open your mic. If you don't understand, I'm going to help you. Look here, Haitham.
6
We have here 6 and 3, right?
6 kilogram.
6 and 3 kilograms here, right? 6 plus 3 equals what? Haitham. 6 plus 3.
9.
9. What about when we want to cancel 2 from this 9? So 9 minus 2 equals
11.
no, minus 2. 9 minus 2. This 2.
7.
Yes, it's 7. Excellent.